Hello guys. Are you excited to open this new toy set?
Yeah.
What's that?
Monster Jam Playset. This is El Toro Loco Ice Action. This is Dragon Ice. This is Great Ticket Fire Ice. This is Zombie Fire. And over here is Megalodon Fire.
Awesome. Is it a Monster Jam Cars toy set?
Yeah.
Show me.
Yes.
Look at that. So it has 5 Monster Jam, Monster Truck, Megalodon, Zombie, Grave Digger, El Toro Loco, and Dragon. Awesome. Are you gonna unbox this now?
Yeah.
Let's do it one by one. Okay. Now Mama is helping us to open those trucks. Okay. So let's see. One by one. Hold on. Keep your present. Okay, we got the first one.
Oh.
Okay. Missy, Ishan, what do you have? Dragon. Nice. See? Look at that. That's a cool car. Monster truck. With a blue wheel. BKT tire. It's a dragon ice, right, Rishan? Okay. Yeah. What's the next one? Show me. Oh, that's a zombie. Oh, scary zombie. See, look at this face. It's so scary. It's a fire zombie, right? Yes. Nice. Is his hand moves?
Yes, I will show you.
Ooh, he's gonna catch you soon. Okay, zombie, nice. Next is our fire Megalodon. Look at that. Cool monster truck. Megalodon. Nice. What next? Okay, this is a cool one. El Toro Loco.
The crazy bull.
Ice El Toro Loco, blue color. Yeah, Crazy Bull. So in the fifth one, what's this? Grave digger. Look at the grave digger. It's half ice, half fire. So this is a fire ice grave digger. Nice. See, two wheels are blue in color, and two wheels are red in color. Nice grave digger.